Firstly, measure and cut both the top and bottom tracks to suit your opening width. To fit the top track, screw equally across the width of the track, making sure to use suitable plugs and fittings for your ceiling. Next, position the bottom track below the top track. Insert one of your doors into the back channel of the top and bottom tracks, then position your door on both sides to ensure they are vertical. You can nudge the bottom track backwards and forwards to do this. Once your doors are vertical, mark the position of the bottom track on the floor at both ends. Remove your door and secure the track using either double-sided tape or appropriate screws. Now refit the door and apply the anti-jump mechanism on the bottom wheels. If your doors need leveling up, use the height adjusters on the bottom wheels to do this. Repeat on all doors, installing the back doors first.